Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha ka Rakhe ka World Environment Day arhajar arphanrio ka Eco Club but NSS unit jong ka Asor P Academy High Secondary School Pynursla ringkat ka Tynrai lang but ka office jong sub divisional officer Pynursla civil subdivision but ka social forestry range Pynursla kila pendong ya ka program Thung Dieng ha Phyllaw jong ka mini Secretariat Pynursla. Hagani ke program la sakhi daga chinon lang uba Jiwarjri MCS Subdivisional Officer Civil Pynursla Civil Subdivision ba Bilaso Nomik Mat jong ka Social Forestry Range Pynursla Dr. Sevenda Dakhar Principal jong ka Asor P Academy Higher Secondary School ringkat berkinong hikai ki samla pule ki volunteer jong ka NSS ki rekod jong ka Eco Club jong ka school berkinong tray jong ka office USDO. Habagran shiki belawan shimentah kejing Thung Dieng USDO ula banjur halor kejinan kam jong kejing yada ba dijing yakun nak benta ban penek pensa ya kamaryang ula kenturu ya kapateng ke bedang khe ban shimenta shitham kejing yada ya kamaryang bat ha kejing yakun persha ya kejing julor jong ke saudong saukun ula pen pauru ba kejing Thung Dieng kalong ke we nikilat yada bat ban pen bha ya kamaryang bat ban penek ya kalawe jong ki pateng ki ban sawan Kumshi benta jong ka program Palat chispa tadi ki Tynrai Dieng la Thung ha ka Phyllaw jong ka mini Secretariat bat hagi jaka ba marjan kani ka jing Thung Dieng ka thumu ban pen he e ka jing jerngam jong ka than bat hagi jaka por ban pen sngo thu e ki samla pule bat ki pat ba shphang ka jinon kam ban sumar bat yada ya ka maryang lapun kot yak program daga jing kular lang jong baro ban yada ya ka maryang bat ban beteng ban no senyang shakalawe ka ba khot bat ka ba jerngam Kani ke program kalau long ru kum kejing pen kan mau ke badan jing mut di kejing bak kli lang jong ki brio ber ki ken hun trekam hak ban pene pensa ya kamaryang nak benta ki peteng banwan.
We cannot survive without nature. Nature will adapt because nature itself is an architect. It will adapt automatically with whatever is the problem. What the main reason, can we survive without nature? No, we cannot survive. So nature is not that it will survive by itself. And nature also protect us like a shield from this climatic hazardous condition we are facing every day globally. So by planting a tree, if you consider only 1 square mile, it will reduce the global warming around 1.5 degrees Celsius, which is very helpful if we can convert our degraded lands or barren lands into greeneries. So by making all those degraded lands or this empty space green, it's not that we go with the trend, but the thing is that it's a mere survival of our human beings. So today, all around the world, they are celebrating this auspicious day, which was decided by the UN in 1973, as our SD also already mentioned it before. So the main thing is that in these generations, whenever we face any climatic problems, we are always up for this high-tech AI engineering to solve out the problem. We are looking for this machine will suck all this pollution and provide us clean air. But however that is, we fail. And in the time of searching that high-tech engineering and all, we forget that we already have a most sophisticated technology to save our earth. That is a tree. By planting one tree, one by one, just imagine all around the world, if one person plant a tree, then we will come to millions of trees will be planted. But see, and most of us also, they are thinking that in order to protect or to give something to our environment, we have to do big things. No, that is not.
Every year we see this program are being organized in different level, be it from the different government in the entire world, by the different organization in of the UN itself. But one very good thing we have to understand: we live in this earth, and we have to take some responsibility of contributing it in a little bit that we can. So I'm very thankful for this very small and humble program, though it is, but I think it gives a greater message, I think, to all the people at large in the subdivision, having organized this day to day. But one thing I want to impress upon, especially the young minds, all the students who are participating in this program today, we may be celebrating it in different ways and different form, but the great impact that can make towards achieving the objective of this celebration of this program is, I think, if we adopt a kind of